In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the no sound issue on YouTube when using Google Chrome. If you've ever sat down to watch a video only to find that there's no audio, you know how frustrating that can be. But don't worry, we're going to walk through a set of simple troubleshooting steps to help resolve this problem. First, let's launch Google Chrome on your computer. Once open, navigate to the YouTube website and play the video where you're experiencing the audio issue. Make sure that the video isn't muted. In the bottom left corner of the video, you'll notice a small speaker icon. If it has a line through it, that means the sound is muted, and you can simply click it to unmute. Next, check your computer's volume settings. This can be done by clicking on the speaker icon that's usually located in the lower right-hand corner of the screen on Windows or in the upper right corner on Mac OS. Make sure the volume slider is turned up and not muted. If the system volume is okay but still no sound, let's dig a little deeper. Sometimes the issue lies within Chrome's settings. To explore this, click on the three vertical dots in the upper right corner of Chrome to open the menu, then select Settings. Once there, scroll down and click on Advanced to reveal more options. Look for the Privacy and Security section and click on Site Settings. From here, scroll down again until you see Sound. Ensure that the option Allow Sites to Play Sound is toggled on. If you've checked these settings and everything appears to be in order, it's possible that an extension or add-on is causing the issue with YouTube. To troubleshoot, go back to Chrome's menu, but this time select More Tools, then Extensions. You'll see a list of all extensions installed in your browser. Disable all of them by toggling the switch off and then restart Chrome. Play the YouTube video again to see if the sound works. If it does, re-enable your extensions